let's look at some deck pics. Here's the Insight robotic arm here with its instrument deployment camera mounted on the forearm. And over the course of this week, we got some awesome images in. Here you can see the deck, part of the deck, and the 2 solar panels, which look beautiful. You can see some sun dapples underneath them where light's coming through, our wind sensor, seismometer, UHF antenna, everything looks great. Exactly where we left it when we left Earth. And here's the camera calibration target, which you can see up close here, that gives us an idea of the proper colors, and then a retroreflector there. You might notice, if you've paid attention to Mars images before, that all the pictures coming back from InSight are being released in color, and that's because they are in color. Previous Mars missions, the images have been black and white, and that's because the detector did not have any color capability. It was a black and white detector. What we did to get color was we used filter wheels. These things allow different wavelengths of light through, and they mechanically turn to let a different filter set through. We'll capture that, go to the next one, and then later on the ground we can combine them to get what would approximate a true color image, or we can do some interesting stretches to bring out mineralogical differences. For InSight, we use a built-in filter called a Bayer filter. It's kind of a checkerboard pattern, blue, green, blue, green, blue, green, and then green, red, green, red, green, red. Twice as many greens as there are blues and reds, but this has a single filter over each individual pixel. And these pixels are like less than a micron in size. But by doing this, which is very much the way that the camera in your phone does, we can use a single image to get a color picture. And that's exactly what the cameras on InSight do. Here are the cameras. They're much bigger than the ones you see in your phone. And here's like a electronics box about the size of a deck of cards. These cameras like 1990s technology. They're only about 1 megapixel, but they're space qualified, they're very hardy, and they are sending back some beautiful images. So keep enjoying, and there'll be more deck pics to follow.